Hey, hi there, fellas. Hey, fellas, tell me, would you guys would like to make more money? Would you guys would like to have the opportunity to make more cash? If you fellows say yes to one of these questions, then welcome to this short video on which we're gonna speak about work smarter and not harder. Okay? Okay, guys. First of all, guys, I would like to say thank you for all of you guys that are watching this video. It just tell me, guys, that you guys are people who are willing to learn more about business and life, of course. Okay, pay attention. Okay, guys, work smarter and not harder. Okay, guys, let me tell you, this is a very, very important topic to master. And you should master this topic because the mastery of this topic, is going to allow you to make better decisions about money. And if you make better decisions about money, then guess what's going to happen? Your wife will be very, very, very happy with you, because you're going to have the opportunity to, how can I say, buy her expensive gifts like expensive cars, without worrying about your pocket, which is something very awesome. Not only this thing, you're going to have the opportunity to provide for your wife the kind of financial peace that she deserves, which is something cool. And not only this thing, you're going to have the opportunity to help the relatives of your wife, in financial matters, which is something very important, and you should do it. Not only this thing, your debts, they will decrease, and your debts, they will decrease. And inside of your community, you're going to be viewed as an asset instead of a liability, which is something awesome, And in no time, because you constantly make good money decisions, guess what's going to happen? You're going to become rich, okay? Yeah, so pay attention. Okay, fellas, for you guys that don't know me, my name is Sebastian, and I'm a personal development and financial independence student. And I am here to help you to achieve your goals by sharing to you my ideas on the subject of personal development and financial independence. So pay attention. Okay, fellas, work harder, work smart and not harder. Okay? Well, guys, this is definitely one of the biggest difference between rich people and poor people. Well, both rich and poor people, they work hard, but there is a little catch over there. Rich people, they work hard and smarter. Poor people, they work harder and harder. I will explain. Rich people, they work harder and smarter. What simply means is that rich people, they create passive income. What rich people they do, they use money, they work every day, they save money every month, and then they use some of this money in order to make more money. In other words, they have money working for them instead of them working for money, and that calls passive income, They have money working for them by investing on real estate, stock market, or internet market, or anything else, That's what the rich people are always doing, Poor people, on the other hand, they do something different. Poor people, they are always working every single day, 6 or 8 hours a day, 6 or 8 hours a day. They work every single day. And they save less or they don't save any money. And what's also another problem with poor people, they see investing as a risk instead of opportunity. And then in conclusion, they don't do investing. They don't do investing or they don't do investment, which is something very, 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 how can I say, very negative. You shouldn't do that. If you want to get rich, you do what the rich people are doing. Don't do what the poor people are doing. Okay? You just pay attention. How can I say? Just pay close attention. See rich people and poor people. Warren Buffett is always investing his money on stocks. You should be thinking about these things also. But your neighbor right there, he works every single day. but this annual income doesn't go nowhere. You should pay attention to this stuff. So on your journey to financial independence, do what the rich people are doing and not what the poor is doing. Okay? Yeah. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this short video, and then write your comments below so that we can debate on this subject. And so that I can make more videos based on what you guys want. Okay? Okay, guys. I'll see you next video. Ciao.